HiringSimulation.com, in-tray exercises. What is an in-tray exercise? What is an in-tray exercise? It is a business simulation, usually part of an assessment center, where you play a member of staff who has to deal with the tasks of a busy day. You will be given a selection of letters, emails, and reports in either paper or electronic format, which somebody doing the job might find in their in-tray or email inbox first thing in the morning. Why do employers use in-tray exercises? They allow employers to check how well suited you are to a particular work role. They are designed to represent the tasks that employees usually encounter in the job, and therefore provide evidence on a variety of relevant skills. Job interviews are notoriously unreliable when used on their own to select staff, as interview candidates may alter their behavior to satisfy expectations. Why do employers use in-tray exercises? In-tray exercises enable assessors and employers to test a wide range of your skills and aptitudes in situations that closely resemble those you might face in a real workplace. As a result, how you behave during an in-tray exercise offers a more accurate and reliable indication of your characteristics and behaviors than do more abstract methods of measurement, including interviews and even psychometric tests. This is why they're so popular with recruiters. They're also very good at seeing how you will cope with the real-world stresses of diary management and prioritization. Exercises allow employers to simulate working experiences. Exercises that require candidates to perform typical job tasks are a good predictor of job performance. They can find out if you can analyze facts and figures, prioritize information, and make good decisions under pressure, qualities not easily demonstrated at an interview. Tips before you perform in-tray exercises. First, read carefully through the background information. Pick up clues about the organization. This should help you decide what is considered to be particularly important to the organization. Follow the written instructions carefully, especially what you are required to do. Make a rough plan before answering the actual questions in the exercise. Quickly read all the items before you start any of them because later tasks may influence your decisions. Prioritize the tasks in terms of importance and urgency. You may need to balance these two elements carefully. Identify key issues, what action to take, how, by whom, and when, and give your reasons. Tasks are often interrelated, so your response to one may affect another. Tips before you perform in-tray exercises. Focus on key points, not the details. Don't be distracted by irrelevancies. Stay calm. This exercise is about showing you can cope with pressure. There isn't usually a right or wrong answer, but you have to show an understanding of the issues and offer reasons for decisions. Sometimes you won't be given complete information and you will have to make assumptions. Just do your best with what information you've got. Work quickly and accurately and keep a note of the finish time. Give reasons for your decisions and say why you would allocate certain priorities. The recruiter is looking for clues about how you would cope with a real work situation. Tips before you perform in-tray exercises. Who is the message from? What is their importance to the organization? Are they internal, staff, or external, customers, suppliers, bankers, to the organization? Do they represent unions, government, newspapers, regulatory bodies, accountants, or factory inspectors? When is the item dated? Is there a deadline? Is there any flexibility with this? If unclear, can you get clarification or negotiate extra time? How important is the issue? You might be able to ignore unimportant items. What area of the organization's business is involved? The supply chain, factory operations, cash flow, a legal matter, health and safety issues, relations with unions, other businesses, competitors, the organization's PR, or customer satisfaction. Tips before you perform in-tray exercises. Don't try to do everything yourself. Are you the most appropriate person to deal with the task? or should a task be delegated to a junior member of staff, forwarded to a more appropriate colleague, deferred, or prioritized as urgent? What is the person's level of responsibility? Do other tasks have to be done first before other activities can be completed? Can some tasks be done simultaneously and/or by the same person? Are there conflicts between tasks? Learn more. You can learn more about in-tray exercises, job simulations, sales role-play, assessment centers, and more by visiting us at www.hiringsimulation.com or www.hireresults.ca. That's HIRE results.ca.